Hey, Merrin here. Emmy and I just wanted to provide some edutainment to you. A little bit of education, a little bit of entertainment, and talk about AI. So we're going to run a weekly workshop on AI. Really just to educate you, to give you an idea of what's possible, and also have your mind blown as to what you've never thought of could be possible, maybe is these days. So lots of different things, visual, words, PowerPoint presentations, lots of different things. We don't know everything, but we certainly have started looking and are really getting into what AI can offer and how it can help your business. So come for a week, come every week, up to you. We just want to share some of the information and take away a little bit of that stigma about what AI is and how you can use it and make it a bit of fun at the same time. See you Wednesday.